event, the International Somali Awards, are so important to highlight all the good things about the Somali community, all the good things that we are doing as a community.
Events like these recognize people with Somali culture and how much they've achieved.
Nothing feels as spectacular, as special as this tonight.
So it feels so amazing and so beautiful to be in this room with Somali excellence. And it's a big way to say we are here, we are proud, we are Somali. Hear us roar.
It means so much to us because our identity means so much to us, and to see our own people succeed is so important.
Couldn't be much prouder to be Somali right now, actually. I'm just so happy to be present in here.
I'm so glad to be here this year, to be amongst all my brothers and sisters, to celebrate Somali excellence, as you say, and to just be amongst some incredible people.
And coming here to London and seeing every Somali person that's being nominated and seeing how we're taking the world and how we're killing it, I'm just so proud to be here.
These are the people that we look up to, trying to inspire the next generation, letting them know that it's possible.
Honestly, it feels great. It feels great to be around so many well-accomplished Somali people and, so many recognizable faces in the community and people who are just doing great things.
I'm so happy to see so young, talented, that we can pass to the torch, us gray hair like me, especially when we are under microscope nationwide.
I think the older generation have really led the way, and so it's for us to kind of pick up the baton and carry it and take it to the finish line.
It's absolutely a proud moment to be in a room full of geniuses, creators, entrepreneurship, businesses, international stars. I am so proud to be in this room.